Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my rollertrack made with obviously fischertechnik. Now this is a very different perspective on the rollertrack that you saw the last couple of videos, and the reason is that this is the original setting, the user setting. And why is that? Because there's a switch over here, and I realized that I built the whole track from this perspective. So what is new? Well, nothing is new except that I need to fix a few things right here and right there. Some stabilization is in order, and then quite some testing. So in order to do that, I can do two things. Change the screencast or just fix it right here and right now, and I think I'll start with fixing some very simple things. So let's do that. Let's start with the simplest thing, that is putting this part of the track right back, and then I have here a part, and that obviously, well, obviously for me, has to be fixed right here. And this part makes sure that the track or the ball, let's just take one, is taking the right track. So in this case it goes all the way this, so let's just run it from here. And that's not correct because it doesn't have enough speed. So I'm going from the top, you can't see it at the moment. And that goes right because it does have the right speed. Now with this switch, it is supposed to move this part right there, so it takes this track. And for that, I do switch to screencast. Last time I managed to fix the wires, and you can see them now from a much closer perspective, very clear. And the question is, do they work? Well, I have only one way to check that. That is a switch that is working. Then that switch is working, and that switch is working. So that is all right. Now, does this work? And that's a big question, because last time the motors didn't operate that well, and the only way to find that out is, well, no, there are two ways to find it out: running the coder and doing the diagnostics. And then the question is which from the diagnostics perspective. I think I do the diagnostics first, because with this everything starts to run and mayhem may happen. So let's start the diagnostics first. So diagnostics interface fired up, select interface, and the question is which motor is which. I have here 1, 2 motors, and obviously 1, 2, 3 motors. And this one is set to motor 3. Ah, that's already a surprise. Which is, yeah, motor 3 is that one. So this is motor 2, actually. Yep, definitely correct. Now, only if the switches would work, and that is another thing. So with this tested, let me test another one as well. Yeah, that's that one. Now, where is one going? One is that one going. you see it. Then 4 operates all the others, which is entirely correct. So that's checked. All motors are ready to run. So nothing is holding me back. Let's accept that the switch is not operating the way I expect it to do. So yes, this is working. But the operation isn't functioning. I have something to find out. And at the end of the video, some things have been fixed. Primarily this side. This side, I know what the problem is, but I need reconstruction to do that. So let me run things and then press the button. And then the track changes. Waiting for the ball to get up. That has to, so we have to wait a little bit. Yeah, camera position. So now it takes this one, and then another ball comes, and at that time the other track is taken. So, and then you see that this is halting, and there goes the ball, but so that part of the track isn't entirely fixed yet, but this one is fixed. And if you need, if you want to know how and why, you will need to see the whole video, the full length one. For now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. Please leave a comment or suggestion under the video. You can support via PayPal and by buying me a coffee via Ko-fi, or by supporting via Patreon, or also via Ko-fi, and get full access to the full-length videos by becoming a member. And you can also purchase the video separately via also Ko-fi and Patreon. More information under the video. Thanks for watching. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.